Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a DC-10C-TERM, and this is a counter with a terminal block with also a DC-IR Sense-1.0-PNP, and this is a 0 to 1 inch proximity sensor switch. It is a diffuse reflective infrared, so it just senses parts or pieces or objects. It is a PNP output, and most of our terms can accept a PNP anywhere from 5 to 30 volts DC input, also contact closures. Also unique to this project is a network card, and we do have a network card that receives the count and will put the count on a web page, and I will show you how to find that web page here in a minute. Also on that web page card, the network card, it has the last 10 entries and the amount of seconds between those entries, or those counts I should say. And then you can download this count or this record or this log to a spreadsheet, and I will show you that also. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and increment, or actually pass my hand in front of the sensor, and it will show you the count, the number of times that I've passed my hand. And so we say 8. Now the web page is being refreshed once every second, so there is a little delay if it's a really fast count, but after 1 second you get the accurate count. So we have 13. Okay, so now we just, after you reset it, it will bring it into the log here, and this is the 10th one, and this is the latest one that we just did. And it was 441 seconds between this number 2 entry. Go ahead and count some more parts or units or whatnot. Say we'll say 15. After that's complete, we push reset, and then it brings that into row number 1, and number 2 was our last one before that, and that took 27 seconds. Now I'm going to show you to download it to a spreadsheet. I'm going to hit download up here at the top. It's right here on this margin, and then it downloads it to our lower taskbar here. And I'm going to open it with, you can open it with Excel, you can open it with Notebook. I'm going to open it with Notebook if you don't have Excel. And here is your log. So your first column is your total time. So it matches this. So, total count, I apologize. So it's 15, and it was 27 seconds from the last time you hit reset. 13, and it was 441 between that and the last time you hit reset. 7 and 6, and on down the line, all the way down to number 10, which was your total count was 27, and it was 10 seconds between the last reset. And it'll just overflow, and 10, 11 will drop off. So this is a 1-inch high display. We can put it on any one of our, all the way up to 30-inch, if you wanted a large, really large counter. The network card and the sensor and the switching and everything can go on any one of our displays. The connection for it is back here in the back. It's on the back cover. You can see it's kind of busy. Here's your network card here, taken out over here. Your sensor here, we have a terminal block for it. And then the reset is number 3 terminal here that you would just connect for your contact closure or a PNP input. The display itself takes a 120 outlet, and then it comes in 12 volts coaxial connector. I think I pretty much explained everything except for how to find the card. So I'm going to go ahead and close these files. Exit. I have a couple of them open here. Exit. Okay. This is a program. It's called IP Setup, and if you go onto our blog, you can find it. If you just punch in IP Setup, IP space setup, that'll all come in, and our blog will bring up the network connection page. And then this is just a little .exe file that you can download, and it's free from our blog or our website, or anybody can send it to you. And you run this, and what happens is you run this, and then you search for all the specific cards out there and what's on your network. And I've got here, it says DC Digital Counter Module version 1.0, and that is within this search here. Go ahead and launch the web page for that, and then you can get it there. Now, in your network settings, you can change your IP to DHCP, or you can change it to static. I'm going to go ahead and put in that there is a default username and password, so it's username. And then down here, we just punch in password. And these you can change later if you want. Okay. And then sign in. And then this now you can change your password here. You can give it a device name. So if you want to say, this is the bottle counter, or this is a potato counter, or whatever you want to call it, you can say this is potato counter or bottle counter number 1, and you can put it right here in device name. And that can give you a little bit more distinctive when you go to find it. But DHCP, you can set it up for static, and then put in your address and whatnot here, and then change. And then you can change your password here also. So there you go. Again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and this is a DC-10C-TERM, and it comes with the infrared sensor, the network card, and the log, and download your spreadsheet from your count, and then the last number of seconds it was since the last reset that you did. Thanks for watching.